get some alcohol wipes, clean the vision dock connection, the frame connection, and the camera connection. Those 3 areas, it's 4 actually, need to be cleaned. Hey, I'm Fish. Now, the reason why I say you need to clean those connections, those contacts, was again, I got a frame freeze. And I turned the camera on, and I quickly disconnected the vision from the camera, and it froze. It is what it is, man. I'm gonna go clean it, and that should probably resolve my issue, I hope. Today I grabbed a scene shot on the scooter, and yeah, I used the 360 sphere extra, and I went to the editor, and I needed to, deep track. Wouldn't work. Extra Studio, Mac, and Windows. If I come down here and I open up both the projects, if I come down to the timeline and highlight the first one, any of you can tell the difference of which one has intelligent tracking and the other one doesn't. I'm going to come over here and I'm going to just look on me face right there. I'm going to hit intelligent tracking here. I'm going to try to do it on Windows. I'm going to just highlight me right here. I'm going to start. That's how you do intelligent tracking, people. I wish you the best of luck on Windows. Let's see what Extra has to say about that. I know it's a Windows thing, and I'm not going to delete the app on Windows and apply it and do it over 10 times to see if it comes back. I had to use the Mac, and now I'm thinking maybe I'll spend $4,000 and get myself an M5, 2 terabyte, 36 gig of RAM, and be done fooling around with Windows. But I like using my Windows machine. It's just who I am. Now, I don't like when I shoot video and it goes into vertical mode and I'm holding the camera landscape, and you get it. It just does what it wants. I may just revert back to the DJI Osmo Nano. And this way, I won't have that problem. I can lock the landscape and the portrait the way I want. Yep, we're walking the pooches. Up, and one's stopping me. She's got to go. And the other one wants to pull. So let's get going. Up, I'm being pulled. Stop and go. What's wrong with this picture? I don't get it at times. That's just the way it is. It is what it is, man. Well, I'm not sure asking Extra to put a landscape lock, horizontal lock on the camera, because their cameras already come with firmware. One firmware to load up. I think that's all we're going to get. The camera's already matured. Well, I'm Fish. And yeah, I'll see you on the next video. Have a great one, everybody.